Okay, we're down here in downtown Minneapolis. There's the stadium. There's downtown over there. There's Capella Tower. And we are here at the Haaf parking ramp because they call them parking ramps. You have to be politically correct here.
No, these things. Wow. All right.
Have these been modernized? No, these are the same since I last remember them. These are Monty's. This is one of the only elevators I rode when I came here in 2014.
All right, let's go 7.
Listen to the, I'll watch out the window actually. Something's going on over there.
Nice view.
Let's see if there's a, yeah, there should be a good view out here.
We'll do that when we come back up.
All right.
We're gonna make some pictures up here. All right, send down to 1.
LL.
LL, let's do that.
I'll watch the numbers here.
I'll watch the numbers come back up. Cool.
There's something going on at the stadium tonight. That's why parking spots are
All right, so
expensive.
I won't press it.
Wait, oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll let you press it.
7. I'm gonna watch the numbers.
Watch out looking this way. There's a bus. Look at that. There goes a train too. We'll watch the train go by.
All right. There's Jason foaming over a train. Here's our friend Mr. Security.
Let's see if we can get the bell to ring. I don't know if it still has the bell. Let's see.
Epic.
Magical bell. And that is actually, before I end my video, let's look at the stadium. This thing I haven't seen yet. That is cool. Look at that. That's the, and there goes that train over there, but that's the US Bank Stadium. When I came here in 2014, they were just building this place. And where did Andrew go? Oh, there he is. All right, guys, that'll be it.